So hi friends, in this video I am going to cash out on the Appkarma application. You can see I have 1858 points available. I will do only playtime rewards guys. You can see I download one application. It gives me some points per every few minutes. So you can download games and you can run it for passively guys. It is a good app for making some money. So you can see my earnings history. And users can also do mystery offers. It gives instant points but it's very low compared to any other offer walls. So click on cash out section. I'm choosing $1 Amazon gift card, so click on OK. After 24 hours the gift card will be available. You can see it locked. And one more thing guys, why I am redeeming $1 US gift card, so I can exchange for PayPal or I can gift someone. So if you are from India, I am also from India, you can also cash out for PayPal. You have to wait it and collect enough points so you can cash out to PayPal or Flipkart gift card guys. Okay, so they have so many offers, so you can complete if you want. So this is my payment proof on the application. You can see that is the Amazon gift card. Okay, don't try, it is done or